I'm literally the most happiest girl today because today I met my best friend after so long. And look at this. There was a brownie in this which she made खुद के हाथ से. But that was not the best part. The best part was there is a letter in there which I have not read. Because उसने बोला मेरे सामने तो पढ़ना ही मत. और उसके बाद मैंने सोचा कि वाह look at the moon. Can I show you? Could you see anything? तो मैं ये बोल रही थी कि उसने बोला मेरे सामने मत पढ़ना. फिर वो चली गई. उसके बाद मैंने नहीं पढ़ा क्योंकि if I read it I'm going to giggle and laugh at myself the whole day and not be able to study. So मैंने तभी खुद को डिस्ट्रैक्ट नहीं किया. Now I cannot wait to read it. तूने इसके अंदर कुछ प्राइवेट नहीं लिखा क्योंकि मैं घर के बाहर आके इसको पढ़ रही हूँ. एंड आई डोंट नो हाउ टू होल्ड द कैमरा बट आई रीड इट. एक हाथ से पढ़ती हूँ, एक हाथ से आई रिकॉर्ड इट. ठीक है, तो मेरे को पागल तो नहीं समझेगा. ठीक है, रिव्यूइंग इज़ अ थिंग. ओके, आई वांट टू लाइक रिकॉर्ड माई ओन रिएक्शन. इसलिए इट्स हियर, आई एम हियर. ओके, आई थिंक स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम हियर. बट नहीं, उर्दू थोड़ी ना, इधर से शुरू होगा ना. व्हेन यू नीडेड मी द मोस्ट नाइदर यू वर. अरे उल्टा है, इधर से शुरू हो रहा है. इट्स अ ट्रैजिक स्टार्ट. I don't know, but I think I'm not ready to write this. It is because the tradition we follow up during our birthdays to write good things might come to an end. Maybe we have to let each other know the harsh reality, the truth, because writing all goody makes no sense. But now that we are mature enough to handle, I'm gonna be completely honest here, because I know how we're not able to talk and convey our feelings to each other. It is because none of us expect something from each other anymore. There's this void space that's killing me and you from the inside. I don't know why is it happening now, but I swear there hasn't been a single month where I didn't think about us meeting, talking or yapping till one of us loses our control. But the thing with life is it keeps changing, flowing like a river, and that force makes us turn into this new person all over again. And I want you to accept me as one, and so do I. I want things to be acceptable and ever changing between us, and still be there for each other no matter what. I know there might have been times where I wasn't when you needed me the most. Neither you were. Just want to make sure that no matter what or wherever I be, if you ever need me, I'll make sure to be around you, close by you, and don't let you face it all by yourself. I've seen you through the years. And I don't know how some things I say. I've seen you through the years, and I know how sometimes you've been all by yourself. And I know, अरे वापस पढ़ रही इसको. All by yourself, isolating, thinking, worrying. But babe, you're the most consistent person I've ever known. You're the bravest of all. Why am I feeling? बहुत ही पोछा आ रहा है पीछे. Trust me when I say this. I've had to share with people around. I'm so proud of you. What's making me cry is that sometimes I look at you. I've known in life you're the bravest of all. And I'm so proud of you. Sometimes I look at you and makes me think and inspires me to be this dedicated. I'm so grateful for having you by my side through my school years. So the good part is here. Grateful for all that you are and all that you've been. No matter how distant we are, I will always think about you and for you. In my universe, you're the brightest. I've never cried. I never cried. I don't cry that often. I don't know why I'm crying. छोटी बच्ची हो क्या? You're the brightest star that keeps shining and gives me light. Through my voice is not stopping to break. I feel like I am getting a warm hug that I wanted from a long time, especially from you. I have to read it. It gives me light through even when not here, because that's what you are, boo. Okay, I'll admit that I've been MIA. Gen Z slang भूल गई मैं currently, but I promise to be more open up and not let go of things that hit up. This year, we will communicate more, share more, love more, and most important, grow up. My tears are salty. One went in my mouth. I love you more than you know. Yours truly. Just pee because the page ended. And I think my neighbor just saw me crying, so he'll think I'm crazy. But he doesn't know what the hell you've written in this. And I'm glad I came out. कि मैं घर पे रहती तो इनका मेरे को पागल समझता. But it is what it is. I think I'm friends happy birthday message. I think I'm losing my social awkwardness धीरे धीरे करके. And now it's watering from my eyes, from my nose, everywhere. Wow. No, that's how you write a message, Varsha. That's how you write a birthday message. And I swear to God, I don't cry. I don't remember the last time I cried. I cried when Dadi died, but I don't remember normally when I cried the last time. It's like the thing had been in my head too, but I had not spoken out. And when I saw the same thoughts resonating from you, it felt like the gap that I thought there is not there, because you already know whatever is in my mind. And I know that I'm not literally the most ideal best friend. Even if I try to be, पिछले काफ़ी टाइम से तो हो नहीं पा रहा है. I can blame me for that although, but in general also I don't think I am that much. But I don't know how you accept me. I mean, I'm good, but you deserve better. Because you're better. Why we don't go out? Why we don't have photos? It's like a kid complaining. I have to wipe my tears before I go home. Otherwise, Inder will think I'm crazy. Because I just came out of home with one letter in my hand and he'll think I have a boyfriend or something. It got 6 minutes long. I'll cry one more time after reading this before going to bed so that I can sleep more peacefully. कैसे कुछ रो के सोते ना तो बहुत अच्छी नींद आती है. Past experiences. Somebody might have really thought I'm crazy on my floor. Wait. I will create a magic. My alter ego. Okay, I learned about this word just a few days ago because Lisa was dropping an album named this, but I don't know what this means. I'm just going to Google it after this video. So, anyone is so beautiful inside out. You made me better and smarter, bro. Yeah, I mean, we used to sit together in Akash sir ka lecture, so might have learned some algebra from me. You low-key challenged my ego throughout school years. I mean, I'm the smartest, you know. Coolest of all. You came up. I can give up too, yaar. I wouldn't have never known the true meaning of friendship. No one else can know. मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा मैं कैमरा के अंदर से देखूँ कि बाहर से. No one, because the camera is in front of my face. No one else can know the truth, and I'm just silent. And from one who can cancel all my plans for. But first we need to make plans. Yeah. हाँ उसके लिए दूसरे cancel कर सकते हैं, right? Genius. Dropper also. I learned how one can have the deepest of conversation and the craziest also. Sometimes they don't make sense at all. Sometimes they make too much sense. Wait. The one who gave me the courage to never give up. And nobody else gonna match my freak. Is somebody gonna match my freak? My love for you keeps on growing just like underpit arms. क्या बोल रही हो? Underpit arms hair, I mean. They keep on growing no matter how much you cut them. I read it somewhere. Midnight sessions, yeah. I'm dying for them. I'm dying for midnight sessions. Okay. Me participated.